Hi, welcome to Sims. Today's sum. Solve n by 2 plus 3 by n by 3 plus n by 5 is equal to 31. See first solution. Given that what they given n by 2 plus n by 3 plus n by 5 is equal to 31. First you find the LCM of 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5 LCM is 30. So 30 cancel into how many times? 15 times. So 15 into 2 plus and 30 cancelled in 3 10 times. So 3 multiple n plus 5 cancelled in 30 6 times. So 6 into n is equal to 31. Here 15 into n 15n plus 10 into n 10n plus 6 into n 6n by 30 is equal to 31. Here 15 plus 10 25. 25 plus 6 31. 31n by 30 is equal to 31. Here you find the n value. So n is equal to 3 into 31 into 31 into here 31 by 30 is multiple with n. So this fraction is changed to right hand side, then reverse the reciprocal of the fraction. So 30 by 31. Here 31 cancelled in one time. So 1 into 30 30. So n is equal to 30. N value is 30. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe.